welcome to Comfy Cozy Up and welcome to day one. Let's turn this. Yeah, day one of December daily, also vlogmas. So if you're new to my channel, I record every day in December, and I think this is year 4, and so that's 31 videos that you will get from me. Books, lifestyle things, crafting, vlog with out and about enjoying the season, and just any other thing that I want to share. And it is going to be every day at 4 p.m. on this channel. So we're gonna kick off day one. We're talking about the plans. So I wanted to read a lot of books. I am off the entire month, so I have a lot of time. So the whole goal is to really read some of these books that are sent to me, as well as books that I picked up from, I think, October for my birthday, that I really want to get to and haven't get to it. So most of these books I'm going in blind, don't know what they're about, but it is going to be fun for me to talk about them in videos where I will be vlogging and share my thoughts. So there's a book that I loved from an author that I didn't want to get the hardcover. I waited until the book was released in paperback. So I waited almost a year, to the point where she now has another book that I really want to read, but it's in hardcover, because I have a section up here on this side dedicated to Elizabeth Strout. I enjoy her work. I enjoy her story. I love her characters. So, but I just want all the books to match. I am one of those. So you let me know if you're one of those people that is like books matching. So I've been waiting to read Lucy by the Sea. It is a part of a series. I believe this is the last book, because I have, I think it's 4 books in a series. I think. The new book, I didn't even look to see if it's a continuation or it's a completely different storyline. But I love Lucy. I love her character that she created for this series. So I'm hoping to get to this soon, because it's gonna be read this year. Gotta get to it. This book was sent to me. It is a Caribbean book. Let Me Liberate You. I don't know much about it. Again, I'm walking in blind, but I've heard it has some comedy, sarcastic, perhaps, if that's what the word for this. I'm gonna get to it this month. There is a short story collection called My Kind of Madness. Uche, I don't know how to pronounce the last name. But I love Nigerian short story collections. They just always intrigue me, and I'm always enjoy them. So I have high hopes for this. It is also a debut novel. It was sent to me, so I'm walking in there blind. Then we have Grown Woman. So this one, when I hauled it, because it came again, this was sent to me. And I remember saying, I don't know what it's about, and someone said in the comment, I think it was Kay, and said, it's good. That's all I need to hear from Kay. So this is going to be read. This book was on the National Book Finalist. Morta, I don't know what exactly, I don't remember. I think when I hauled it, I did have a kind of idea what it's about, but I forgot. Nevertheless, we're jumping into this blind. I don't know why I think I'm going to enjoy this, but I'm going to. So these are the first set. Now, the goal is to read a lot more. I have a list of, during the Kindle sale, there were a bunch of different kind of sale going on. I downloaded about 12 Kindle books that are Christmas story. 12. But they're short. A lot of them, I think the most I've seen was like 130, but majority of them are short, under 100 pages. And I feel like I definitely can read all of those by Christmas. So there's gonna be like a romance, Christmas romance theme throughout the month of books that, and there are probably a few I think are New Year's Eve kind of storyline. So I'm excited to read those, and some of those are Caribbean romance. So, but they're Christmas themed, they're holiday themed, they're feel-good books. So it depends on how heavy some of these books is. It's nice to sprinkle those in the mix. Then I need to pick from the jar. We need to pick from the jar, right? But before I do that, there is one book from the jar that I have not completed. and that is A Pair of Wings. So it is inspired by the Betsy Coleman story. The problem I had when I just started reading it, it felt more memoir-ish than it's actually a novel. It was very much aviator heavy, and I was struggling with it. I am still pushing through. I am definitely want to finish reading it, but this is one of those ones that I'm going to be getting through and hopefully finish it by this month. All right. All right, so let's get into the jar. The last book. I might have shaken that a little bit too hard. All right, the last book of the year. Let's hope it's a good one and it's not something that's going to be, you know. All right, let's see. Ha! My Cousin Rachel, Daphne du Bois. This is Kurt G. I have not read anything from Daphne du Bois since I think I own 2 books from her, but I've always heard about My Cousin Rachel. So yep, that's the book. I'll put up a picture of what the book looked like. I don't think I own it. I think I have Jamaica Inn and Rebecca. Yeah, I did not read. I read Rebecca, really loved it, but I haven't read Jamaica Inn yet. But I'm excited. Let's see how many pages is it. I'm curious. I'm curious. Okay, it says it's a roughly 270. So it's not bad. So I will be picking up this book. I love owning my classics. I was going to say, let me see if the library has this. But I love owning my classics. All the classics I've ever read, I own. I definitely think I want to buy this, especially since I enjoy her writing. But I was like, maybe I told myself I wasn't going to purchase any book this month and utilize the library, but it's a classic. I gotta own it. I gotta own it, y'all. maybe I'll still get it from the library but still buy it, or maybe put it on my Christmas wish list and hopefully somebody purchase it for me. That's a possibility. And I said, it's Ruth. I don't even know this handwriting of mine. Yeah, I'm not familiar with this person. This person followed me, but I've never really seen them make a comment except for this. So anyway, I think I'm gonna probably still get it from the library, but then put it on my wish list. And I have a gift card that someone gave me for my birthday that I haven't used yet, so maybe I will still use. I'm not even gonna lie to myself, y'all. I'm getting the book. I'm buying the book. Alright guys, so we are going to end this here. I did finish the journal. I have 2. There's one that's dedicated to December daily, and I just like doing it. I did it last year and I really love like highlighting those moments of what for each video. But I also have my regular one, so I'll probably get a little, you can see a sneak peek of the one that I made for December daily here. It is going to be on my TikTok. TikTok is really where I put the craft stuff, where it's just literally crafting on journal, different kind of journal that I use. You know, I made this, so this will be a spread that I will put in one, and I love it. I don't know if you guys can see the sewing machine theme going on, and the holiday happiness and handmade. What am I saying? Sorry. Happiness and handmade. And you know, just had a Christmas theme, and yeah, so I'm excited guys. Yes, you can see. Can't talk. Yeah, Anyway, all right, guys. I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. And come back tomorrow at 4 p.m. for more goodies. All right, guys. Bye.